Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Breville infuser. This machine was brought in because it had weak steam and pressure and it was leaking out the bottom. What we found is that the safety valve, which follows the pump, had a gasket that was a little misshapen and needed to be replaced, and the leak was coming from there. And so it was leaking water out into the machine, dripping out the bottom, and because it was losing water as it was pumping, it couldn't provide the proper pressure. So here it is. Let's test it. Alright, looking good. Just a little fast, could tighten up the grind, but overall, very nice. Alright, let's test the steam now. Purging the water in the wand. Get the pump activating. Pressure's picking up a notch. There he is. Steam's looking good. Alright, there you have it, Breville infuser. Functioning at full pressure once again and no longer leaking. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee, and please like our videos.